What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at XRP, looking to make an explosive move. And in my opinion, it's going to be to the upside and it's going to be over $2. We'll be taking a look at this today. Also, BTC US dollar. It looks like that Bitcoin might be playing out this double bottom pattern. I've got this other bump and run pattern that we need to pay attention in the next coming days because this will also be a great trading opportunity. And Ethereum, is Ethereum forming a diamond reversal pattern on the 4-hourly chart? It looks like the bulls are losing steam. If we break this support level, we might come back down all the way to the $3,000 levels. I'm going to show you why in this episode, or if not, if we break to the upside, we'll be coming to me all-time highs in my opinion. We'll be checking this out today. And guys, all of these pairs can be traded on Femex. You can get $2,000 all depending on what you deposit. If you use my link, it's up to $2,200. Okay, all the information is in the description, guys. If you click on the link, $2,200 as bonus. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Said this, let's go straight in. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. Not financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the video. All right, guys, zooming in here for the XRP chart on the daily. Okay, we can see I've got this green box over here, which is at the 92.93 cents. Okay, if we zoom out here for XRP, we can see this was major resistance here in the bear market. All right, so I marked this, and once we broke out of it, it seems like that we had a nice bounce from it, and now we are creating this symmetrical triangle. Okay, so we've broken major resistance, we are coming from an uptrend. All right, so now what can we expect for XRP? Well, I think we are going to continue to the upside. Remember, the all-time high for XRP in 2017 or early 2018, early 2018 is about $3.30. Okay, so we haven't reached all-time high, and I do think that XRP will reach its all-time high. I am not an XRP fan, but I will trade it to make some money, and you can do also, guys. So what can we expect for XRP? I think that XRP might be breaking to the upside from this symmetrical triangle. It needs to break it before the 24th of May. All right, we're already about 70% of the pattern. Usually these patterns break out at 70%, so this could break out anytime soon. Now, what is the measured move? The conservative move is getting the back, okay, from this symmetrical triangle, and all the way from the breakout, guys, we can see that XRP might go to the $2.60. Let's say $2.50 would be the conservative target. Okay, guys, all depending on when we are going to break out, but it's approximately the back here from this symmetrical triangle. If we break to the downside, guys, it could get really ugly. This is the auto logarithmic chart, sorry. And yeah, this would give us a target of 30 cents. Well, I do not think we will drop below. We might drop from this pattern just like we did with ADA. We might have a fake out to the downside and maybe potentially creating a double bottom if we do break to the downside all the way to the $1.90. Cents, okay, and then creating a double bottom before we continue to the upside, unless we break this resistance to the upside in the next coming days. So that would be the target. Break to the downside, you can trade this all the way down to $1 because we'll be getting heavy support here. If we break to the upside, I do believe we'll be reaching about the $2.50 for XRP. So this is extremely tradable. You can trade this on Femex, guys. Remember, there's an insane bonus on Femex at the moment, up to $2,000, $2,200 by using my link. Now, let's take a look at BTC because BTC, we've been talking about this double bottom scenario. Okay, let's see if this plays out, guys. It is too early. We need to see some more sideways price action, a little bit to the upside. You know, tomorrow's Monday. Tomorrow will be very exciting. The markets are open and there is more sentiment. Okay, there is more money in the market. So let's see what's going to happen. We might be going sideways in between today and tomorrow until the markets open. I do think that this double bottom scenario will play out, guys. It's very hard to be bearish on BTC, especially with all the uncertainty in the world at the moment. So yes, we could have a drop. Remember, I've been telling you the $46,000 needs to hold. It is where the VPVR, the volume profile, ends. If we drop below the $46,000, we're going to have a severe drop all the way down to $42,000 at least, okay? This is in my opinion. So we'll be checking this out in the next coming days. I want to see some more price action for tomorrow. This is also something we need to pay attention. This bump and run scenario, okay? We've got this trend line from these resistance points, okay? This trend line that is going down. We've had this severe drop. I've seen this so many times, and we've had spotted a couple bump and run patterns in this channel, guys. If you're an old subscriber, well, let's see if we're going to go sideways and a little bit to the upside, and then once we break this resistance point, guys, this is what usually happens, okay? More or less what I'm drawing here. So let's see if this scenario will be playing out in the next coming weeks. Let's take a look at Ethereum, guys, looking to form this, where it's already forming this diamond reversal pattern. Diamond reversal pattern is a reversal pattern, as the name says, but it can break to the upside just like we did over here. If I go to the 1 hourly chart, this was a pattern also that was spotted. And this broke to the upside, all right, went sideways, and finally it met the target all the way up here, because I think it was all the way from all this leg up, from down over here, all the way up here, and then, you know, it went over the target, as you can see. Now, what can we expect from this diamond reversal pattern? Breaking to the upside or to the downside? Well, you could also see this as a symmetrical triangle, okay? If you count this resistance and this resistance doing this trend line, and also this support and this support, all right? These higher lows, and also making this trend line, which would be creating this symmetrical triangle. Needs to break out before the 18th of May, which is just in a couple of days. This would be on Tuesday, the maximum date for the breakout. So this could break out easily tomorrow morning, for example, or even tonight. So what are the targets for this? Well, let's go with the conservative target first, guys, and this would be counting it as a symmetrical triangle, all right, or, you know, from this lower part here all the way the leg up into the diamond reversal pattern. This is the conservative target. This could be a bigger you know, a bigger leg up into the diamond pattern. Let's go with the conservative target. We want to be conservative because, you know, then people leave their trades open and then the market turns around because it's very volatile. Conservative target, let's just entertain that this is the leg up into the diamond reversal pattern, because the huge consolidation sideways, and this is the leg up into the pattern. So the measured move from the breakout, guys, all depending on where we're going to break out. If we break to the upside in between today and tomorrow, well, this could take us all the way to the all-time highs, maybe a little bit more. So the all-time highs would be a target from the breakout of this resistance. And if we break to the downside, the measured move would be all the way down to the $3,200 range, okay, which would be this support level right over here. But if you want to be conservative, you know, you could, I like I say always, you know, I try and get my profits out at 80-70% of the target. So it would be around about this area, 3,300. So you're breaking from 3,700, 3,650, okay, and the measured move, you know, would be about 10%. And this, if you use a 10x, it will be about a 100% profit. This is what I got for today's episode, guys. The most bullish, the more aggressive target, sorry guys, would be this, looking at a symmetrical triangle, okay? All of this being a symmetrical triangle, and the aggressive target would be getting the width of the back of this symmetrical triangle. From the breakout to the upside, you know, we could come as high as 4,650, 4,600 conservative target. If we break to the downside, looking this as a symmetrical triangle, we could come as low as $3,000, as you can see here on the chart, all depending when we're going to break out, but approximately $3,000. And this would also take us all the way down here, if I go to the 4 hourly chart, to this resistance point from this ascending wedge. Remember that we were talking about this in the last couple of weeks. Okay, so we could probably fall all the way down to meet this support level here from this ascending wedge, which would be the $3,000, and also would be the target from this symmetrical triangle that we've just been talking about. Okay, guys, this is what I got for today's episode. Remember, break to the upside, we can come as high as 4,650. So we'll be checking this out tomorrow, guys. I'll be doing another video on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, and some other altcoins. I'll be doing a second video on Litecoin or maybe Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash. So if you want any cryptocurrency that wants to be looked at, leave it in the comment section, guys. Massive thank you for coming in. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, we've got great articles and news. We've got price predictions. We've got exchange reviews, so you can see the best fees and the best bonuses out there. So I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. If you haven't seen my Bybit or my PrimeXbt tutorial to learn how to trade, video popping up on the screen. Massive thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.